Hello, my name is Ellie and today I'm going to be cooking a pepperoni pizza in the Ooni Koda 16. Let's do it. Here we are with the pizza already made. The stone temp is quite high. It's about 440 in the middle there. On the right. A little bit at the top there. I think I'm done. Done. Okay, let's have a look at this pizza. Oh. Very cold day today. Well, it's cold for me. It's 2 degrees outside Celsius and it's windy, but I'm in my nice little couch, my nice little den, kind of more protected than I would have been before I built this den. We built this den. It would have been it wouldn't have been as a nice experience as it is now, so I'm really pleased that that's the case. Oops, I'll check the base, so that's looking all right. It's golden colour. This is a 260 gram dough ball and it's really cold today, and I find it's a lot harder to stretch when it's cold, and it's really hard to keep the dough warm when it's cold as well. So when you're leaving it to rest and your house isn't warm and your garden's not warm, it's pretty difficult to get nice stretchy dough that bubbles up well in the winter, I found anyway. Please let me know your experiences of making pizza dough in the cold winter weather. Pepperoni's cooked really well here, like the way it's just cooked the rim, and the cheese cooked nicely, considering it was a really fast cook. Well, it felt like a fast one, but I'll put the time here, so I'm gonna give that bit a try. Pepperoni. Very nice. I love cooking with the Koda 16. It's lovely and bright, nice and airy in there. And even on days like this, when I'm standing here making my dough, making my pizza, the oven is here right next to me, keeping me lovely and warm, so it's great. So I hope you found this video useful. Like if you did, subscribe if you did. It'll support the channel. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.